Mastering phrasal verbs. Let's break down. Break down. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of phrasal verbs. We'll be focusing on one of the most common phrasal verbs with down, which is break down. By the end of this video, you'll understand the different meanings of break down and how to use it correctly in your daily conversations. Before we get started, let's quickly recap what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb consists of a base verb and a preposition or adverb. The combination creates a new verb whose meaning is often different from the base verb. The phrase break down is a great example. The verb break and the preposition down come together to form a phrasal verb with various meanings. Now, let's dive into the meanings of break down. This phrase can be used in several contexts, and we'll discuss the three most common ones. 1. To stop functioning. For instance, my car broke down on the way to the airport. 2. To divide something into smaller parts. For example, let's break down this problem and deal with each part individually. 3. To lose control of one's emotions, such as, he broke down in tears when he heard the news. To fully grasp the usage of break down, let's see it in action. 1. Non-functioning machinery. I was late to work because my car broke down. 2. Analyzing a problem. We can tackle this assignment easily if we break it down into manageable parts. 3. Emotional context. She broke down and cried when she realized she lost her wallet. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use break down in your conversations and writings. Here are a few practice sentences. 1. The printer, blank, so I couldn't print the report. 2. To solve this math problem, you need to, blank, the equation. 3. I, blank, when I watched the end of the movie. It was so emotional. Try to fill in the blanks with the correct form of break down. And that wraps up our lesson on break down. By now, you should feel more confident in understanding and using this common phrasal verb. Remember, the key to mastering English is practice. So, don't be shy about using break down in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next English language journey. Until then, happy learning!